being among the highest in the USA. Now Andhra Pradesh is leading another revolution from IT to AI, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to shape the future of governance, industry, and economic growth. My government has envisioned 10 Sutralu, 10 guiding principles that define our vision for a prosperous future of Swarna Andhra at 2047. First, zero poverty. Number 2, human resources development and population management. 3, skilling and employment generation. 4, water security. 5, farmer agri-tech. 6, global best logistics. 7, cost optimization, energy and fuel. 8, product perfection. 9, Swachha Andhra. 10, deep tech integration. Now first, Swarna Andhra at 2047. My government, guided by the vision of Viksit Bharat, is implementing a comprehensive roadmap to achieve Swarna Andhra at 2047 with a people-first approach. By focusing on a 15% plus growth rate, the state is leveraging its unique inner strengths to become a rupees 308 lakh crore economy with a per capita income of rupees 58 lakhs to become wealthy, healthy and happy, sustainable and most livable society by the year 2047, making 100 years of independent India. Zero poverty. Achieving zero poverty is the next few years through empowering individuals and families is a prerequisite in the journey of Swarna Andhra at 2047. We have launched the NTR Bharosa, which is the single largest welfare program in India to provide pensions at the doorstep on 1st of every month. No other state has such a massive DBT welfare scheme. Under the scheme, the monthly pension for senior citizens has been increased from rupees 3,000 to rupees 4,000, for differently abled rupees 3,000 to rupees 6,000 per month. Overall, around 64 lakh people, including 8 lakh differently abled people, are benefiting from the scheme, incurring an expenditure of rupees 33,312 crores per annum, with 29,281 crores dispersed till now. To ensure food security for the underprivileged, we have strengthened the public distribution system and also revived 204 Anna canteens offering nutritious meals at a nominal price of rupees 5, leaving no one hungry. With a focus on education, social security and economic empowerment of weaker sections of communities, we are implementing the pre-matric and post-matric scholarship for SC, ST, BC and minority students. We have revived economic support schemes for SC, ST, BC and minorities by allocating rupees 2,000 crores with a special focus on encouraging entrepreneurship and income generation activities. We are providing free power up to 200 units for SC and ST households. For the categorization of SCs, the government has constituted a one-man commission to determine the modalities of categorization. Our government is committed to the overall socio-economic development of 27.39 lakh scheduled tribes, including 4.93 lakh particularly vulnerable tribal groups. This is being achieved by implementing welfare and developmental activities in different sectoral domains like education, health, infrastructure, livelihoods, skill development and self-employment of tribals in ITDA areas. Backward classes are the backbone of society and our government is committed to their economic, social and political empowerment. To uplift BC communities, we have implemented several key initiatives, including the establishment of Swarnakara Corporation releasing rupees 896 crores to different corporations for income generating activities. Additionally, we have passed a resolution to provide 33% reservations for BCs in the State Assembly, which has been forwarded to the Government of India. We are working towards provision of 34% reservation in local bodies and nominated posts. We have prepared a roadmap for enactment of a special BC Protection Act, ensuring long-term welfare and rights for the community. We have increased the honorarium to temple archaks to rupees 15,000 and Nai Brahmins to rupees 25,000. An allowance of rupees 3,000 per month is being paid to unemployed Vedic students. We have recently released pending honorariums of imams and muezzins who are paid rupees 10,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively. For the welfare of women, our government has introduced a Deepam 2 scheme which provides 3 free gas cylinders annually, ensuring access to essential cooking fuel and enhancing the quality of life, especially of women in financially weak households. It has already benefited 86.50 lakh households with a total disbursement of rupees 686 crore to date. My government is committed to provide permanent houses to all the eligible households in the state by the end of 2029 in a saturation mode, duly providing house sites wherever required in the name of housing for all. During the last 8 months, 1.14 lakh houses were completed under PMAY Urban BLC, 76,585 houses PMAY Gramin, 37,746 houses, and PM Janman 305 houses at an expenditure of rupees 642.38 crore was incurred. The government is committed to ensuring that every household has access to a house site, a pakka house, a toilet, clean water, cooking gas, electricity, and even a solar roof for sustainable energy. We are actively working to complete 6.34 lakh pending houses while providing land 3 cents in rural areas and 2 cents in urban areas to our landless families. By the end of first year of our government, we will be completing